Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello all signs. So, let's see. Let's check kung ano ba ang parating sa'yo for the rest ng buwan ng July. Okay? So, no zodiac sign needed. This is collectives. Okay? So, in general and in love, ano bang parating sa inyo? So, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga items. So, yes, kailangan ko silang ipakita everyday dahil meron tayong palaging bagong followers and subscribers, no? So, yes, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay? So, protection from evil eye, meron tayong ring, bracelets, and necklace. Okay? So, yung bracelet natin is ganito. So, dalawa. Isang adjustable and isang garterized. So, garterized is ganito. Okay? Ganyan yung kanyang pendant. And yung ating tawag dito, adjustable is meron siyang 5 colors, okay, ng ating evil eye protection. So, meron din itong initial na ilalagay. Okay, initial po ng magmamay-ari po, ha. So, this is just a sample lang po, no? Pero akin yun. Oo. Anyway, so, sa mga mahilig naman sa necklace. So, yung necklace natin is ganito. Okay, this is unisex. Okay, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Sa mga nagtatanong ilang inches po ba yung chain, this is 16 to 18 inches. Okay, kasama po yung extender. Okay, so ganyan po yung ating necklace. Evil eye protection na necklace. So ganyan po. Unisex again. And syempre, yung ating newish, na 2-in-1. 2-in-1 for love and money bracelet. Okay, meron pong citrine stones itong ating bagong love bracelet. Okay, para yes, hindi lang love ang inyong makukuha kundi money rin, no? So, citrine stone is merchant stone. Okay, so kilala din siya as the merchant stone. So, sa mga merong business, sa may mga pinagkakitaan, yes, ginagamit po ang citrine, okay, as their money magnet. Okay po, ganon ang action or ang epekto kapag meron kang citrine. Okay, sa katawan mo, yan, may nakasuot ka, mga ganyang bagay ba. Okay, kung lalaki ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, sa red pouch, yes. And I need your real name. Okay, and syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter is ganyan. Okay, so, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, and made to order po ang ating granter. Okay, made to order. This is, again, non-tarnish, no? So, ano bang meron kay granter? So, si granter po is yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? And tagapagbigay po siya ng surprises. Okay? Surprises weekly. Okay po? Weekly. Okay? So, may mapapansin kayo, meron mga dumarating something, like sabihin natin small lang na mga blessings, surprises, mga ganyan. Okay? So, there. Next, meron akong bago. Okay? So, sasabihin ko after. So, ito yung ating cord cut. Okay, so si cord cut is yung pang-alis natin ng MALAS. Okay, pang-alis ng mga nagbibigay ng alat sa'yo, sa energy mo, sa frequency mo. So, pwede siya sa bahay, sa front door, magsisilbing parang block to sa mga pwedeng pumasok na hindi magandang energy. Pwede rin sa business mo. Okay? Sa business naman, ang ginagawang combo is ito and ito. Sa mga nagtatanong ano po bang maganda pagdating sa business, ito pong dalawa. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa, ano po bang pwede pagdating sa gusto kong makakuha ng visa, gusto kong ma-promote, gusto kong maalis yung kung ano mang dapat maalis para naman maging okay, or walang manalbahe, mga ganyan. So, ito po. Okay? So, yung dalawa. Pwede nyong i-keep yung isang nakasuot. Okay? So, pwedeng i-keep ito kasi medyo bulky siya kung makikita nyo. Okay? Ganyan siya. May mga stones po yan sa likod, ha? Legit stones yun. Okay? So, pwede nyo i-keep sa isang red or white pouch. Okay? So, yung bago natin is, sa mga nagtatanong and interested, paano po namin marirecharge or paano po namin makikleanse ang aming mga charms. So, meron na po tayo for cleansing. Okay? So, sage and selenite. Okay? So, medyo mahaba na to, no? Anyway, sa mga interesado lang. Okay? So, magagawa ko ng post pagdating dyan. Okay, for cleansing. Yung selenite po is nagre-recharge ng mga charms and nagtatanggal din ng bad energies kung meron mang nakuha or kayo may nakukuha kayong bad energy. So, para siyang booster, parang ganyan, no? Yung ating selenite. And yung sage naman po natin is, kung gusto nyo, yes, pwede sa bahay yan. Kung gusto nyo i-cleanse, gusto nyo parang ang tawag dito, gumaan-gaan, o parang ganyan. Yung energy, ayan. So, yes, yun yung ating bago. So, ilalagay ko na lang, ipopost ko na lang yung itsura. Anyway, hindi pa kasi like ready yung akin. Yeah, this is 5 slots. Just 5 slots for panimula. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, yun ang aking mga bago dun sa ating items. Anyway, so let's start. Let's start the reading. All signs. Okay, all signs. What's for you? What is for you in general? So, hanggang end ng July. Okay, hanggang end ng July. Anong meron sa ating all signs? So, again, requirement. Kung makikinig ka ng, this is collective, so walang zodiac sign, kailangan mo naka-follow ka or subscribe. Okay? Yes. So, anong meron sa'yo? Sa followers at subscribers natin. Ngayong July hanggang end of July. Anong meron? Okay, the Lovers in Reversed. Anong meron dyan? Page of Wands. Some of you makakuha ng bagong love connection. Okay? I'm hearing a new connection na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang July. So, for me, in general, this is talking about, a connection. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng this is energy of, sabihin nating, interest. New interest. Okay? So, yeah. Nice. Iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na pwedeng kakaalis lang sa isang connection tapos magkakaroon na ulit ng iba bago mag-end ang July. Are you healed? Heal muna. Okay? Mag-heal muna tayo kahit kauntian. So, what else? Nine of Swords in reversed. Okay, the Nine of Swords in reversed. Nine of Swords in reverse. What's that? The Hermit in reversed. Some of you, lalabas ka sa bahay, lalo na kung ikaw itong homebody. Mahilig lagi na nasa labas. Or maybe this is an advice for you. Kung ikaw itong palaging parang na-stress ka or what, lumabas-labas ka. Okay, nakikita ko sa iba sa inyo, pwedeng lalabas-labas. Oo. So, the Ace of Wands in reverse. I don't know kung may nangyari bang bago sa buhay nyo, sa routine. Parang kailangan mong basagin yung routine. Okay? Ngayong July. Pansin nyo, 'di ba, bago to. And meron siyang logo ng Fiesta, 'di ba? Share ko lang. Yeah, pina-customize ko ang ating cards. Anyway, so what else? Oh, for all signs. What else? Okay, the Fool in reversed. I'm hearing, a good connection talaga na darating ngayong bago mag-end ang July for you. Yeah, see? The Wheel of Fortune. This is so, so, so nice. All signs. The Fool in reversed. And the Wheel of Fortune. Something is going to happen. And this is nice. Something na pwedeng inaasam-asam mo. Good luck sa may mga granter dyan. Yes, good luck sa may mga granter, sa may mga charms natin dyan. Okay. So, some of you, sabihin nating justice, makukuha mo. Okay, kung ano man ang kailangan. Wow, that is so nice. Yeah. This is good, ha? Itong the Fool in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune. I think that's your energy, some of you, na parang ready. Being ready. So, just be ready. Okay? So, big things pwedeng mangyari. And I think this is good. This is so nice. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Something na pwedeng may magsisimula. Strength is here. Nice. Okay. This is nice. Kung nakikita nyo lang, naramdaman nyo lang yung energy. Ang ganda. Okay. Some of you, may chance na may mag-reopen. This is specific. May mag-reopen na opportunity sa workplace. Okay. Your money is going up. Some of you. Subscribers, followers, your money is going up. Okay? Yeah. Going up. So, there. Increase. I'm hearing increase. So, next, what else? Pagdating naman sa love. Okay. Sa love, anong paparating? Sa love. Para sa all signs. No zodiac sign needed po, ha? Kahit anong zodiac sign. Basta ikaw ay alam mong matagal ka na nanonood dito. You're a subscriber, you're a follower. So, yeah, may chance na makuha ko yung energy mo. Okay? So, yeah, just a simple requirement every time na manonood ka ng collective reading ko. Okay, yun lang. So, again, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe. So, what's coming in for you bago mag-end ang July pagdating sa love? What's coming in for our collectives when it comes to love? Seven of Swords. What's with that? The Six of Swords. Oh, some of you might be dealing with an air sign. Yeah. The King of Swords in reversed. Sino tong paparating na to? I'm seeing the person na pwedeng nagsinungaling sa'yo, gumawa ng hindi tama. Some of you, meron kayong legal issue ng taong ito. Pero I'm seeing him or her having the Six of Swords. Six of Swords is having plans. Okay? May mga plano na pwedeng yes, papunta na tayo sa paayos, sa paganda. Could be this person, kung sino man ito, na naggawa ng hindi tama, hindi maganda sa'yo, may chance na may maayos sa inyo ng taong to bago mag-end ang July. Okay? There's this decision. See? The Two of Swords and the Three of Swords, both in reverse. This is Five of Swords in general. Meaning, may mafi-fix. Merong pipili. May mga ganon. Pero ang nakuha ko dito is sa paganda, sa paayos. Yeah. Some of you might be dealing with a big air sign placements. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay? So, what else? What else is coming in for our collectives when it comes to love bago mag-end ang July? What else is coming in love? The Six of Cups in reversed. Okay, your ex, your bitter ex, what's coming in? The Nine of Swords in reverse. Okay, some of you, hindi mo na masyadong pakakaisip-isipin itong bitter ex na to. Okay? Yeah, the Sun in reverse. Why? Anong pwedeng mangyari? Anong pwedeng mangyari? Kasi sinasabi rito na hindi mo na raw masyado kakaisipin eh. Itong somebody, yeah, strength is here. So siguro may chance na pwedeng mabablock mo na yung energy. Okay? Mabablock mo na yung energy. Or ikaw itong mas magiging okay na without them. That is why lalo silang mabibiter. Okay? So yeah, the Justice is here. In reversed. Be careful. Okay? May chance na gumawa ng action to. May chance na gumawa ng action itong bitter person na ito from the past. Ayaw nila na ganyan ka. Okay? Gusto nila, pareho kayo. Don't let them. Don't let them. Okay? What else is coming in for our all signs? In love. Ooh, anong gusto? Oh, diba? The Ten of Pentacles, money, 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 or commitments. Long-term connection for some of you. This is the best of both worlds. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles. I'm hearing dating to marry. Somebody's dating to marry. Uy! Ang ganda. Dating to marry. Okay. So, what's with that Ten of Pentacles? Yeah. Dating to marry. Ay! Ang ganda. So, the King of Pentacles. The Knight of Wands. Yeah. Dating to marry. Your money is going up. So, sinasabi nga, kanina pa, doon sa general. Okay, that is so nice. And some of you, okay, pagdating sa love nga, okay, meron dito na pwedeng may mga, some of you, may mga makikilala, may mga makikipag-date. Okay, this person, sabihin nating they're sincere, they're guarded, okay, pero seryosong tao to. Okay, mga pababae, mga palalaki. Yes. Some of them, they have money or maybe they're stable. They're stable. And they're like, kulang na lang is magkaroon ng kakonek or karelasyon. They're ready, I think. They're ready. Okay? The Three of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you, pwedeng ipapakilala sa'yo to. Pwedeng ipapakilala sa'yo. Hindi mo pa nakikilala. The Sun in reversed. Okay? So, medyo sabihin nating I think kapag ipinakilala sa'yo to, dito tayo mag-focus. Kapag ipinakilala sa'yo to, magsisimula kayo mag-date. They're interested, actually. They're interested. Okay? Meron diyang Queen of Wands. That is, sabihin natin, attraction. Okay? Pero yun nga, guarded yung person. Hindi nila ipapaalam sa'yo na they're really into you. Okay? Pa-relax lang yan, pero they're into you. Okay? So, Ano pang meron pagdating sa kanya? Para alam mo na siya yon. Aside sa ipapakilala sa'yo, or pwedeng meron kayong mutual friends. Okay? So, ano pang meron? Ito, hindi ko sugarcoat to. Okay? I'm hearing somebody who is already in a commitment. Avoid third parties. Okay? Avoid third parties bago mag-end ang July. I'm hearing and sensing third party connection na pwedeng mangyari. Be careful. Okay? So, itong nakikita natin na to, may potential. So, anong meron sa kanya? Para alam mong siya to. The Four of Swords. Shy type, quiet type. Okay? Hindi sila, sabihin natin, sociable. Okay? Yeah. Quiet. Hindi sila, I don't know, kung maraming kaibigan to. Kasi some of them, they're too, serious. Serious type. Okay? So, they're not into playtime. No time for, sabihin nating, playtime nga, no? Parang ganyan. So, there. Yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Sana makita mo yun, no? Sana makuha mo sa mga naghahanap dyan. May chance before mag-end ang July. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs again. Please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.